External motives. This type of motives is based on the external world, like having an excellent mentor, friends, family members, books, managers, etc. The only problem with external motives is that they vanish quickly. Let me ask you, have you ever read a personal development book or attended a self-help seminar? If yes, then how was your motivation and enthusiasm level after 1 week? I bet it was a lot less, correct? Many humans rely heavily on external sources and motives to feel good about themselves. Many folks seek others' approval just so they get accepted by others, even if they don't like what they're doing. This is the second type of motives that affect many people. Now, what kind of external motives motivate you? Take your time and understand the types of external motives that you rely on heavily, as they will help you get more motivated, and understanding these types of motivation is very crucial.